we are going to meet again. All of you are aware about it or not? Here from my side, all of you are unmuted. So are you ready? All of you are ready to come? Children? Am I properly audible to all of you? Purab? Okay. So all of you are coming. Very soon we are going to meet and we will on means actual, you know. Actual class में हमारी practice बहुत अच्छे से होगी. So yesterday we are discussing on the paper. Section B and section D are still remain. We will discuss. Yes. Okay, Meli. We will discuss on that first of all. Then after we will continue on Monday. One more paper you will get. The process will be the same. Okay, fine. So I think we should wait for a couple of minutes. Let others to join the class. Then after we will start our class. Okay. Fine. So this same paper I am going to share here. But the participation is must beta. Many of you are not participating. Only few children. Mili, Viram, Arihan, Darshan Baradia. बस आप ही लोग इसमें हैं. आगे तो कोई बढ़ के नहीं आ रहा. What's the reason? So all of your mic is unmute. And rather than Mili, all of you need to unmute yourself, then answer, okay? So the section B, it is for your self-analyze. It is for your self-analyze. Okay. Viram Jain 414. Ma'am, please allow me to rename. Viram, why? Okay.
Ma'am, here is network issue, so I, Mehul and Arihant are with same device.
So it's okay. No need to rename. Got the message? I will convey it to Nehaven. Fine. So section B. Yesterday we are discussing section C, that is case study type of question. And that part we found many of you have committed mistake there. Hai na? Very soon you will get your marks. Most probably by tomorrow evening or Monday morning. Okay, section B, explain any three features of the nation state that emerged in Europe in 20th century. Explain any three.
Ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am, we have to write, we have to explain Germany, Italian, French, or we have to explain its characteristics.
First of all, read the question. What is the question? Explain any three features of nation state that emerged in Europe in 20th century. No need to specify any state here or country here, just need to write all the features. Got it, Viram? So now answer is? Answer is? Akshat Jain is saying same community, same language, same nation. Yes, Akshat is absolutely right, but I want an audio answer. Akshat, आपको प्रॉब्लम क्या है ऑडियो ऑन करने में?
मैम?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Ma'am, the three features are same community, means the people should be belong in same community, have same language, and also belong in a same nation.
Okay, these are the features of nation state. Got it, Viram? No need to specify the name of any country, any nation, any state. Next one is the plantation workers in Assam had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and the nation of Swaraj. Support the statement with arguments. Chalo batao. It's very easy. In class 8 also you have discussed it thoroughly. Advent of Mahatma Gandhi. Plantation workers in Assam had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi. It means what did plantation worker think about Mahatma Gandhi?
Ma'am, that Mahatma Gandhi is a ruler who, after British, will Gandhian rule will come.
Yes.
They thought that.
Yes. What it is, Akshat, in this way you will get only 1 mark. The question is for 3 marks. First of all, you need to tell that what was the condition of plantation worker. What about the rest of students? Shall I remove you from the class, rest of you, those who are just joining class, for your attendance? Especially Purab? Maitri? Ayush Lunia, Samkit, Pratham.
Can you show the question again?
Yes, sure, I will. This is the question number 18. The plantation workers in Assam had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and the nation of Swaraj. Support the statement with arguments. Yes, children. Maybe I did not get any text answer from your side. So the plantation workers were not allowed to go back to their home. When they heard about the Mahatma Gandhi, they thought Mahatma Gandhi as a Masiha. And they thought Mahatma Gandhi will come there and वो उनको क्या कर देंगे? He will make free to them from the planters and they will be able to go home, and they started leaving the plantation then and there. They started.
Ma'am,
yes, please.
Ma'am, due to Inland Immigration Act, no plantation worker was allowed to leave the farm. So When Gandhi announced for our plantation thought that Gandhi Raj
No, you are not properly audible, beta. Come in a proper network area. You are not in a not properly audible. Arihant? If you are in a school building, please use corridor. So these were the, and they thought Gandhi Swaraj. They nation of Swaraj, instead of nation of Swaraj, they thought Gandhi Raj would be come there. Okay. So these were the statements. Now the next question, why and how did Mahatma Gandhi use Satyagraha to fight against injustice and denials of right? Denials of right. Why and how did Mahatma Gandhi use Satyagraha to fight against injustice and the denials of rights? Children, if
Ma'am,
yes, Akshat.
ma'am, because as per the thinking of Mahatma Gandhi, the Satyagraha means in brackets Satya ke liye Agraha was the key feature to protest, because by peacefully or with the truth, the truthworthy person will be win the protest.
Okay. Through the ahimsa, है ना? Complete non-violence. Yes, Meera, I can understand that issue is there. Next question number 19. Before going ahead, it's my last warning or my request. Children, अगर सिर्फ मेरे को आंसर करना है या किसी एक दो बच्चे को आंसर करना है तो आई नो ऑल द आंसर्स. योर पार्टिसिपेशन इज मस्ट. सम्यक, व्हाट्स द इशू विथ यू? सम्यक जैन. Yes, Samyak. Ayush Lunia. Ma'am, I unmute but voice not going. Okay. Okay, Samyak, I got your message. And what about the other student?
Ma'am, Ayush Lunia has mic issue.
Huh?
Ma'am, Ayush having mic issue.
Ha. The student, those are in the school, they are facing net problem, I know. It's are in daily practice. Question number next. Right.
May I?
Yes, write the important characteristics of commercial agriculture. Yes.
Ma'am, in this commercial agriculture, the farmers which were doing this farming were using the high doses for the modern inputs, like high yielding varieties and fertilizers, pesticides, to get the more benefits.
ये आपने एक बताया ना, दूसरा फॉर द कमर्शियल एग्रीकल्चर क्या करते थे? They supposed to use huge amount of land for agriculture. Modern technology you just told, है ना? Whatsoever you told, it is 1 point. Don't forget. Whatsoever you told, it is 1 point. है ना? आपको क्या लगता है एक ही पॉइंट को 3 बार लिख देने से मैम 3 मार्क्स दे देगी? दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डिस्कसिंग द पेपर. Third point, use capital is needed. Look at here, three different points are there. First of all, landmass.
Ma'am, heavy machinery
That is modern
and
technology.
more human labor.
That all are in the same part modern technology. Okay. Next question, what is mean by regional political party? What is meant by regional political party? State the conditions required to be recognized as a regional political party. Yes, Mili, your answer is right for question number 90. It is large scale production with large capital, heavy machinery, use of HVY. It's not HIV, it's HVY. Next. What is mean by a regional political party? State the conditions required to be recognized as a regional political party. It's okay, beta. I'm waiting for your answer. What is mean by regional political party? First of all, you need to define it. What is mean by regional political party? क्या हुआ आप लोगों को? Most of you have submitted your answer sheet. उसको देख के पढ़ो क्या लिखा है आपने. It is for self-analyze. Riyanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
So answer it. Regional political party. Children, you know, whatsoever paper, sample paper you are submitting, principal director madam is cross-checking all the papers, all the marks. So be very prompt about it. बहुत एक्टिव हो जाओ इसके लिए. It's must. She is checking by herself कि कितने बच्चों ने दिया, किसको कितने मार्क्स मिले, उनकी कॉपीज दिखाओ, like that. Here I got one answer from Samkit. He is saying the party which has its base in the specific region, being a regional party should get more than 6% of votes and 2 seats in a legislative assembly. That is absolutely right answer. That is absolutely right answer. Next question. How do political parties help in the formation of public opinion? Explain. How do political parties help in formation of public opinion? Explain. बताओ. Political party shapes the mind, shapes the public opinion. How? Very healthy discussion was there, na? While we are discussing the chapter, now all of you are facing some problem. Okay, children. So,
Ma'am, in this question, can we say that they raise and they raises the highlighted issues?
हाँ, and interest of public, the things which are in the interest of public, or
Yes.
always they play with the mind or the opinion of youth, है ना? This is the thing. Okay, before going ahead, one announcement is there for you all. Tomorrow session is there. All of you got the message. It is for your career counseling, because most of you are confused for your career, which subjects you need to choose, है ना? And your attendance is must, beta. Are you listening me, all of you? So must join the class. Okay, must join this session. It is for you, because one day we got many times we got calls from the parents ki ma'am career counseling hona chahiye. So this is an opportunity to for you all. Must join this session. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine, let's continue. Okay, globalization and competition among producers has been advantages to the consumers. Give arguments in support of this statement. Globalization and competition among producers has been of advantage of the consumers.
Yes, ma'am. Because more competition will be lead to more products in good quality and in cheaper rate, so that public or the consumer may or must have beneficial for this.
Yes, for example,
Ma'am, example of toothpaste.
toothpaste hai, mobile company is the best example of it.
Mobile.
Nowadays, mobile company is the best example of it. Advanced features and all, 4 cameras, music quality, these that, है ना? पहले सोच भी नहीं सकते थे कि 20,000 में इतनी सारी चीजें मिल जाएंगी. Fine, good. Next, distinguish between foreign trade and foreign investment. Foreign trade and foreign investment. Very slight difference is there between these two, foreign trade and foreign investment. Yes, children, I'm waiting for your response.
Ma'am, may I?
Please.
Ma'am, foreign trade means the trade of goods, service, and the capital to the countries. And foreign investment means in the investment made by a company.
Yes. Say here, foreign trade means a product, service, all the things in a international market, means उनके products होंगे, उनके services होंगे, सारी चीजें क्या होंगी, एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में यूज किया जाएगा. बट फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ कैपिटल को यूज किया जाएगा. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? दिस इज
Ma'am, capital and technology.
हाँ, कैपिटल एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Fine. So the next one is section C. We already discussed in the class. No need to discuss.
Yes.
आपको सेक्शन सी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अवेयर रहना पड़ेगा. हमको लगता है कि हाँ इजी में मिल जाएंगे मार्क्स. Now, section D, 5 marks question. It is also very scoring part of the question paper. During the years following the Congress of Vienna 1815, why did the liberal nationalists go underground? Why the secret societies were formed? Describe their aims and activities with the special reference to the activities of Mazzini. During the following years of Congress of Vienna 1815, why did liberal nationalists go underground? एक क्वेश्चन है इसमें. दूसरा है why the secret societies were formed. तीसरा है. सेकंड है. थर्ड है describe their aims and activities with the special reference. चलो बताओ, एक एक करके बताओ, है ना. इसमें आप लोग पैराग्राफ चेंज करके आंसर लिख सकते हो, ठीक है. In such type of question, mark division is 2 to 1. ऐसा रहता है mostly. Why did the liberal nationalists go underground during 1815 in Vienna? Why did the liberal nationalists go underground? बताओ.
Ma'am, due to conservative reforms.
Due to conservative reforms. The next part of the question, why the secret societies were formed? सिंपल सी बात है. 1815 में वेना
For revolt.
For
revolt, to fight back.
Okay. Now the next part, describe their aims and activities. जो जितने भी सीक्रेट सोसाइटीज बने थे, स्पेशली गुसिपी मेजिनी ने जो बनाए थे, उसका आपको क्या करना है, एम्स लिखना. उनका मेन मोटो क्या था. Yes. What was their main motto? Or describe the aims and activities with the special reference to the activities of Mazzini, Giuseppe Mazzini.
To unify Italy and bring revolution.
Yes. So in this way, if you will write in a paragraph, change करके लिखेंगे, you will get full marks. 3 questions are there in a 1 question. The civil disobedience movement was different from the non-cooperation movement. Support the statement with the examples. The civil disobedience movement was different from the non-cooperation movement. Support the statement with the examples. This question was there in your pre-board. Civil disobedience movement and non-cooperation movement. Yes, children, we are running off time. Please tell the answer. Really, it is too boring class of this session. सबसे boring class है आज की class. Darshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
Ma'am, can you show the question again?
हाँ, सोते रहते हो तुम, हाँ? ये देखो क्वेश्चन. Question number 27, option 1. बोलो. The civil disobedience movement was different from the non-cooperation movement. दोनों में कोई डिफरेंस था कि दोनों सेम था? Was it same?
Civil disobedience.
Yes.
The government, by the people, the government only will be disobey, but in this ma'am, second one,
हाँ.
ma'am, but in non-cooperation movement, the government was not be cooperated by peoples, and in civil disobedience movement, the law was also broken by peoples.
Yes. And the question is for 5 marks. In this way you will get only 2 marks. At least you will get. What happened to
Ma'am, we
Pura?
will elaborate.
Huh? Then 2 more points. Ayush Lunia. Samyak, at least you can send text to me. Mili. Samyak, text kar do. I know you are facing problem. Yesterday, principal ma'am asked me, not principal ma'am, principal director ma'am asked me one question. Ki, how many children will get out of marks in your subject? Now I am in dilemma. I have to change my list. Okay, chalo. Rather than this question paper, one simple question is for you all. 12 of you are here. How many of you will get 90 to 95% in this SST only? I'm not asking about all the subject, just in SST. Out of 100. देखो, आप लोगों ने अपने नोट्स कॉपी बहुत सारे लोगों ने अभी तक नहीं भेजा है. 5 मार्क्स उसमें कट हो गया, तो वो 95 हो गया. आर्ट इंटीग्रेशन नहीं भेजा है. ठीक है, जो भेज दिया उनको छोड़ो. तो ये कितना हो गया? 90 हो गया. अब बचे हैं 80 आपके पेपर के बचे, 10 इंटरनल बचे हैं. What do you think? How many of you will get 190 or 100% mark? क्योंकि this time principal director ma'am is too means active about this कि ये marks क्यों दिया यहाँ पे, इतना क्यों दिया, कॉपी दिखाओ बच्चे की. You believe me or not, she is checking your sample question papers report on daily basis. ओके, बी क्वाइट बेटा, इतना ही शांत क्लास में भी रहना.